We're rolling, baby. We're rolling. Engines? Engines? Which way, Noel? Tell us. I'm losing my momentum. I'm doing a 360. I'm skiing backwards. Come on, let's make up your mind. Film's rolling. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we'll climb up the hill. You mean like this? You mean backwards? I hope I don't hit somebody. Fuck yeah, but that's why you go like this. You point it down like this, and when you get aggressive, you go like this. That's how I do it. I've been skiing like this my whole life. See there, you look good. You look good. That's how I do it. I don't plant poles. Look at Noel go. He's turning your tongues on a little bit. There we go. Now he's stopping. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We gotta go left, left, left. We gotta hit this catwalk. Okay, I got you. When we gotta hit that catwalk, when we gotta go across to that chairlift there. Yeah, but see the chairlift? Yeah, but look. Yeah. How do we get across there? We gotta go this way. Okay. Well, keep your speed and fucking jam up that bastard. See, that's how I ski right there. That's relaxation. I'm mimicking his every move. We're going down the steep and narrows. We're at Brian Head. We're going down the steepest step in the world. Oh no. Oh no, look at Noel go. Look at Noel go. He's just tearing it up. He's speed racing today. Look at that form. Okay, we're going to catch up to him a little bit. Running straight. Okay, we got to get over there, Noel. Left, left, left.